Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and it is Asos, and this is their monthly beauty box, and this is what it looks like. So as always, if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents, I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Asos is a monthly beauty box, but it's not a subscription. They just release them on their website, so it's up to you whether you want to buy it or not. This one is their vegan edition, and it costs £12. Sometimes you get brand collaboration boxes such as Bobbi Brown and Clinique. Those generally sell for about £15. Now postage and packaging is £3, and they ship internationally and worldwide, but there are some countries that are excluded. I will list down below in the description all the countries that they do ship to, and I'll link everything related to this box and the website and everything like that. So click on the show more underneath this video and that will bring up my description and everything will be down there. So I believe you can get free shipping if you spend, is it over £25 or £30, but you've also got the option to do what I do and pay £9.99 a year. That entitles you to free next day delivery. So that's what I've been doing because I get this box every single month and I absolutely love it. So yeah, for me it's a great saving, plus it means I get the box the next day, no waiting around as such. So yeah, that'll be listed down below if you're interested in doing that for yourself as well. Online it tells you exactly everything you'll be getting inside the box. You have the pictures, but also you have the information as well, so you know what you're going to get before you buy it. I've been receiving this box now for a good year, maybe 18 months or so, and I think it's amazing. I think it's absolutely amazing. All products inside the box you can actually buy off Asos. They're full size products as well, so no samples, no trying or anything. It's just a selection, usually 5 items I believe, of products that they've created to have a themed sort of box. And yeah, we've had some really nice ones. Now and again they bring out boxes for men, and they've brought one out this month. Again, that costs £12, the same as this, and it's a men's grooming box. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I think of anything else, I'll just pop it down below. So let's open it up and show you what I got. So you always get a little card and it outlines everything that's inside the box, and this is what it looks like. Woo! Lovely smells going on in there, really lovely. This month's Asos box is packed full of just that. Whether you want to treat yourself to a relaxing bath with a Miss Patisserie matcha bath bomb, or pack the Aveda shampoo or hand and body wash into your gym bag for on-the-go spa vibes, we've got you covered. Butter yourself up daily with a Love Beauty and Planet Sheer and Sandalwood body lotion for uber velvety skin. And to give your hair some treatment, try the We Are Paradox Hangover Elixir as a finishing oil after styling to restore damaged ends. Last but not least, set your makeup with Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Nothing but pure goodness, just like you. So that's all the information there. So as far as pricing and everything is concerned, I'll pop that on the screen as we go through the video, and because I like to find out how much the box is worth to see, you know, how much of a bargain we get in. So it's something I always do and I like. So I'm grabbing the first item that is the smelliest, and it's this gorgeous bath bomb. That's what it looks like there. Now I've just stuck that back on because that was loose in my box. It's just a little sticky telling you a little bit about it. But this is matcha bath bomb, lemongrass essential oil and matcha tea powder. Zesty lemon essential oil helps to relieve muscle and joint pain and is high in antioxidants. The scent is uplifting and can help promote feelings of peace and tranquility. Skin soothing super ingredient matcha tea powder is detoxifying and antibacterial, wards off free radicals and enhances feeling of calm. It also has healing properties and can help prevent signs of aging. Oh my gosh, okay. Drop the bath bomb in a warm bath, let it fizz away, step in and relax. Rinse your bath immediately after use, as you probably would know already if you use bath bombs. And this is, yeah, by Miss Patisserie, Honest Vegan Skincare. It smells absolutely stunning, and it's quite a big one as well, you can see there. Really, really lovely. I forgot to say that Asos box doesn't come out on a particular date of the month. It's usually within the first few days of the month, but you never know. It's been the 1st, it's been the 5th, so you don't always know. But as soon as I find out that they've released a box or 2 boxes or so, I will add it onto my Facebook and my Instagram pages. They're both under Diaryofabeautygeek. Now I have signed up for notifications on Instagram, and I think their email maybe, possibly, I'm not too sure. And I do get emails, but it's usually a day or 2 after they've released, and these boxes can go quite quickly. If it's a really popular box or a brand collaboration, they go super fast. So luckily I haven't missed one, but I know a lot of you have missed them, and it's frustrating because they only have a certain amount. So If you're not already following me, you're welcome to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because a lot of you messaged me, which is really lovely, to let me know that they have released. So as soon as I've done that, I've gone and bought it, and then I've popped it on my social media sites. So yeah, straight away. So I forgot to tell you that, but no, anyway. Back to this, so that's the first item. Next, we've got a Love Beauty and Planet Shea Butter and Sandalwood Oil Sheer Velvet Body Lotion. And it says, for nourished and smooth skin and acts of love for your planet, it's vegan. And this is 100ml. There you go. Oh, no, that is really lovely. Really lovely. Yeah, sort of fresh. It's sort of a strange sort of smell. Sort of fresh and, oh no. That's lovely. It feels nice on my skin as well. So a nice little travel size one there. Right, next we got a Aveda, and this is shampoo, hand and body wash, and this is 50ml. I've tried a few Aveda products and they're really lovely, really nice. So that's what it looks like there. Oh, always do it on my nose. That's nice. That's nice. It must be so frustrating for you to hear me go, oh, that's lovely, oh, that's nice, because what is nice to me might not be nice to you, and I'm useless at describing scents. I'm so sorry. It smells quite natural, it smells quite spa-like, it smells quite fresh. There you go. But yeah, so that's that item there. So again, a nice little handy travel size, I would have thought. Going back to what I said at the start, that they only put in full-size items, I might be wrong. I don't think these are full-size, unless you can buy them at this size. I would have thought so, because everything that you can buy normally, you can get on the Asos website. Oh, I'm just blabbing now. I'm just blabbing. Anyway, right, what I'm going to do is afterwards, when I do my description, I'm going to find out if they travel, sample and full size, and I'll pop that in brackets so that if you're curious, then you can take a look at that and see that. But yes, that's our item. Next, we've got some cool looking keyring. This is the hair thing, isn't it? Hair elixir, hangover hair elixir, Irish whiskey for unreal shine. We are Paradox. Look at that. That is super cool. Look, it's a little keyring. See, it's a little keyring. You can put your keys on there. Although, why would you carry around a hair product on your keys? I don't know. But I love it. I absolutely love it. It's quite quirky. Does it say anything else? No. Directions for use available at weareparadoxx.com. And lastly, we've got our most expensive product, I'm imagining anyway. And this is Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. And this is a translucent setting powder with my greasy fingers. Finger marks on the front there. I was shocked when I found out that this is translucent because it's a colour. Can you see there? I'm not sure how much you'd be able to pick up, but it's like a dusky pink shade. Let's open it and see what it's like. Right, can you see that? Can you see that without it dropping? It is, woo, it's all going to go everywhere now, but that's like a dusky pink, like a pale pink. Normally translucent powders are sort of like a white shade, but I don't know. What's it say? Does it say anything else about it? No. It says Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. But then in here it says swirl a small amount of Bare Minerals foundation in the lid until it disappears onto the brush. Tap away excess and then buff into the skin in circular motions. Now this, to me, is more like a foundation because of the colour and just the way it feels on my hand. But I don't know. If you use Bare Minerals, please let me know, because I'll be curious to see, you know, exactly what it is. But anyway, so those are all the products. I'll just gather them all up. So those are the 5 items inside this month's vegan edition, and we've got a Love Beauty and Planet. It's a body lotion. Then we've got Miss Patisserie Bath Bomb. We've got a Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, whatever it may be. And down here we've got an Aveda hand and body wash, and then we have got over here Hangover Hair Elixir by Paradox hiding behind there. So those are the items. As always, I'm really chuffed with them. I paid £12. £12 because, as I said, I get my shipping and everything free. So I think for £12 it's a really great box. I've got some products here that I've never heard of before, never tried before, so I'd be interested to see what they are like. And yeah, it's just really nice, and I always love a little bath bomb as well in boxes. But no, I'm quite chuffed with that. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you got this month's box? What do you think of it? Do you think it's good value for money? If not, why not? I'm curious to see what your thoughts. Doesn't matter if they're all different to me. I'm just really curious to see what we all think, because we're all different, aren't we? So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.